Hello YouTube. Today I have another comic grab bag from eBay, and this seller said if you buy 3 books he'll include something special. So not 3 books but 3 grabs, and I think this one was Cosmic Nation, I believe. So Cosmic Nation grabs. With 10 books. So here it is. Cosmic Nation grab bag, 10 books. So let's see what we got. What I got. There's 3 lots here, and they're not all bagged and boarded. The Battle for Build Haven. See, I'll just leave that there. Double Dragon, number 6. The Battle for Build Haven, number 2. G.I. Joe 35. Alpha Flight number 21. Atomic Force. Atari Force, sorry. Okay. The Warlock. And race decks. That was the first grab that I got. I'll put these back in here since they're a little big and boarded. A lot of books I did not know what they were. Okay, I'll open the second lot. And some of these aren't in good conditions. See, and a lot aren't bagged and boarded. There's another G.I. Joe. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. These are not the greatest condition books. G.I. Joe. My camera's stand is Stan Lee, Ironhearts 2. And my camera doesn't seem to focus that well. The Micronauts. Superman Action Comics. And Superman 75. Oh, hard to stand since they're not all bagged and boarded there. G.I. Joe Transformers. G.I. Joe Special Missions. And I was hoping that these would be bagged and boarded, but the Daydreamers. It's the second grab. Nothing that really interests me in these grab bags. I was excited for this grab, but it's not quite as enjoyable as the last one. The last seller took very good care of their books, and they had a very great selection of books as well. Night Force. The Silencer. I don't know why my camera's not focused today, but that's a little better. The Marvel Saga. A lot of these I've never heard of. Night Watch. The Incredible Hulk 264. That book I do like 1 out of the 3. Sorry about that again. Peter Parker Spider-Man. Bionicle. And Star Wars. This is 3 out of 4. And 4 out of 4. I ain't the biggest Star Wars fan. So I'll put these books away as well. Nothing very interesting. The grab wasn't that much. Shipping was a lot more. But it also included this. It's a special comic. Thank you very much. I gave you 2 extra bonus comics. Enjoy. So let's see the bonus books. This could make and break this grab bag. So if you order 3 lots, they'll give you a bonus book. The New Mutants 22. Will to Power, and it's signed. And Spawn number 2. So all in all, I am not very impressed with this grab bag, but a grab bag is a grab bag, and some of them are really well done, some of them ain't, and he did include the extra books, which was great. So this is Cosmic Nations grab bags. You never know. I usually order again, but this was not my favorite grab. Anyways, YouTube, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day.